Hanep, ang ganda. Yo, what's up mga lods? For today's video is ating i-unbox ang KYT helmet. Kung ano ang laman nito. Bagong bago.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase. Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
Rainbow Bison, the best KYT TT course. Hanep, ang ganda. Tsaka napakagaan niya mga lods. Grabe yung gaan niya. Spoiler, stock nyo lang to. Mas maganda kung dagdagan mo to ng spoiler. Alright, ang ganda. Rainbow. Ang laman ng kanyang kahon is mayroon siyang extra clear visor. So mayroon siyang dala na clear visor extra. Gamit na gamit ito sa tuwing gabi. Ang linaw. At mayroon din manual. KYT TT course user's manual. At mayroon na rin stickers na tatlo, dalawang maliit at saka isang malaki na sticker. Alright, ready na for the long rides. Gamit ang ating KYT TT course. Ang ganda. Hanep.